Yeah, for me it's really important, something I use a lot, or all those riders use a lot, because it's, like I said, it's the only way the team can relay some information to us. Yeah, in the race I tend to have it all the race, but normally I have the position, the gap behind me, the amount of people in the group, and the laps to go, or the time to go remaining in the session. So sometimes the team wants to put different things on the board for me to relax a little bit, or just a word or something just for me if I'm riding a bit tight or making a few mistakes, just to calm me down a little bit. Now we have a little bit on the dash they can send to us, but really the pit board is the main feature.
You see the pit board sometimes is so difficult. You're coming so fast and you need to watch from like 200 meters before and try to check which is your one and try to understand what they put. So I try to ask them to be not a lot of things, but clear things, you know. So like the lap time of the first, then the sector that I need to improve, and then the gap that I need to manage. So the gap from the first or the gap from the second.